Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and preparing both devices. Plug a certified USB cable into the Altroz USB port and your Android phone. Once done, unlock your phone and accept any prompts to allow file transfer and Android Auto access. These permissions let the head unit read apps safely. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on so the system can handshake smoothly. If you see a software mismatch message, note the infotainment version for the next update step. After the cable handshake, focus on authorizing and tailoring the connection. On your phone, tap Accept for Android Auto permissions and select Always to skip repeated prompts. On the Altroz screen, choose Allow to enable the interface. Next, open Android Auto settings to set preferred apps for maps, music, and voice. This determines which apps show first. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is configured how you prefer. Finally, check screen orientation and audio source, so navigation, voice, and media play correctly through the car speakers. To finish, test core functions. Start navigation, play a track, and make a call using voice or steering wheel controls to confirm everything routes through the Altroz. If audio is quiet, adjust infotainment volume and media source separately. One key troubleshooting step. If Android Auto fails to connect consistently, reboot your phone, try a different certified cable or alternate USB port, and clear the Android Auto cache from app info. This resolves most handshake and permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.